Whole
Two
and
major kinds of affixes, the prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes. Prefixes are letters or syllables added at the beginning of a word to form another word and change its meaning. Here are the examples of prefixes. First one, express. Second, review. Third, elegant. Fourth, unfair. And the fifth one is irregular. Let's now move on to suffixes. Suffixes are letters or syllables added at the end of a word to form another word and change its meaning. Here are the examples: resourceful, singer, scientist, Brazilian, lovely. Affixation is, thus, the linguistic process speakers use to form different words by adding morphemes. Thank you for watching.